Hey guys, in this video short, I am going to be showing you how to make a chicken stock. Now, first of all, you need a large pan or stock pan like I've got here. And whilst I'm using an actual chicken carcass, because basically I cut up chickens for the pots, and then you can use the carcass for stock. Other than that, and obviously if you haven't got a chicken carcass, you can just use chicken wings, and things like that. So put them into the stock pot. So once you've filled your stock pot full of water, turn on the gas or whatever heat source you've got and set that to boil. Just leave it until it boils, and then we'll sort out the other things that need to go in there for the stock. Now, what else you will need is what we call the Holy Trinity of Chinese cooking. So here we have some spring onions, 3. We have 3 cloves of garlic, and then we have ginger, which we're going to take 3 slices from. So let's deal with the easy stuff first. And using your knife, just give it a bash. Don't need to take the skins off at this point. We're just bashing it because this will go into the stock. Okay, next up, the spring onions. Just turn them round, take off the heads, and then we're just gonna basically just cut them into half, and then they can go in. And then for the ginger, like I said, we just need about 3. And again, you don't have to be precise, and you don't have to take the skin off. Just leave that as. And there are our ingredients. So you just put them onto your knife or pick them up, went back to your pot, and just put them in like so. And then wait for the water to boil. Okay, so when your water's boiling, you can turn that down now to a gentle simmer. And if there's any scum, you can take that out with a flat spoon. You're going to add in, or for this amount of water, I'm going to add in a good tablespoon of salt. And that's it. What you're going to do then, you're going to cover it and let that simmer for a good 2 to 3 hours. We'll take out the bits and pieces, and then that will be our stock. We're going to leave that to cook, and we'll come back later. Okay, so it's been several hours. Yeah, after about 2 to 3 hours, what we can do, we can remove the actual your chicken bits, strain it them. So we need to strain. That just shows you. That really just shows you. So strain it. Oh, that smells delicious. Strain that out, and then what you would do, you would leave this to cool, preferably overnight and away from any animals, i.e. cats. And what you'll probably find, and I'd leave it open like this as well, what you find in the morning, or after it's really cooled, it's gone cold, a fat scum will appear on top. Just skim that off, and then you can divvy that up, put it into containers, and that will freeze. I usually put them into like takeaway containers, little plastic takeaway containers, freeze them, and then defrost what I need. But yeah, that is your stock. That should actually be quite delicious. It smells it. I'm just grabbing a spoon. Just have a taste. That's good. That's good. And then that's it. That is its stock. Yep, and that is it for today's video. So if you did enjoy that, do remember to like and subscribe, and always remember to share. I have been Icobacca. Until next time, keep rocking and rolling. Bye!